Well, again, looking down to the south in North Carolina, they've been dealing with some rough surf. Tropical Storm Arthur, the first tropical system of the season. Well, hurricane season doesn't even officially start until we get to June 1st, technically. But yeah, they've had quite the active weather of late, but things starting to look better for them down to the south. Temperatures right now across the region, we've only warmed up probably about 5 to maybe 8 degrees since earlier on this morning. We're seeing plenty of cloud cover from Tropical Storm Arthur, plus the low pressure center back to our west, and that's moderating temperatures today, keeping us in the upper 50s and lower 60s as we get into the early afternoon. And also wind speeds, yeah, they're going to be steady at times, mainly out of the east up to about 10 to 12 miles an hour. Nothing crazy, but we're going to see these steady easterly winds as well over the next couple of days, and that's also part of the reason why it's going to be so cloudy and also cooler as we go over the next few. And check it out. There's the cloud cover extending back to the west. There is some clearing once you get past the mountains into West Virginia, but also notice some of the rainfall that is down to the south. That's the far extent of Tropical Storm Arthur, just clipping the east coast and starting to get into southern Maryland just a bit. A lot of rainfall associated with that as you go down into southeastern Virginia and along the outer banks of North Carolina. This will start to drift out to sea as we go over the next 48 hours or so. And then also, again, that stalled low back to the west. Plenty of rainfall associated with that as well. But we are right in between both of those, and that means not a lot of precipitation, just a lot of cloud cover. We're not dealing with any of the heavy rainfall that some of our friends to the south and west are. A lot of clouds too, like I mentioned, but that means a couple of dry days. And then we're going to see everything start to get moving finally, and that does bring that low closer to us by late week, meaning more rainfall as we go into Thursday and Friday. But for the time being, check it out here on Future Track. A lot of cloud cover. You see those showers from Arthur that try to make their way inland, but really don't before that goes off of the east coast. Clouds continuing through the overnight hours tonight, and then that stalled low to our west does bring some showers into the picture by tomorrow morning, mainly down into Virginia. But again, those are going to have a tough time overriding some dry air that's in place. So the showers should remain isolated at best for many of us. And as we continue onward, it's again going to stay cloudy with just that chance at seeing some light rainfall before all is said and done. So it's certainly what we're going to be watching over the next couple of days. And there's that setup that I was mentioning. Tropical Storm Arthur down to the south, and then that stalled low back to the west with just a lot of clouds certainly in between. We're going to see temperatures into near 70 with a lot of clouds today. A spot shower certainly cannot be ruled out as we go throughout the rest of your Monday. We'll stay cloudy tonight, a spot shower possible with those temperatures as well into those lower 50s. And over the next 7 days, again, that rain chance steadily does start to increase. Friday, the soggiest day, and temperatures cooler only in the 60s throughout the week.